এই দেখছো কোন বল করছে রিশাদ হোসেন। আমাদের নীলফামারী ছিল রিশাদ হোসেন, অসাধারণ বল করছে প্রথম 5 বলে 14। কি হতে যাচ্ছে, উত্তেজনা অবস্থা। 5 বলে 14 রান। হ্যাঁ মারি যাও গড। হ্যাঁ
so surprised that he didn't run back like he did too. The ball was in the air for the longest time. What he was doing is looking down at the turf that he's gone. He could have been probably he's missed it. You're out. Why wouldn't you run? He completely missed it. He didn't even touch the ball. He cannot believe it. Could have been another wicket, could have been all out, could have been all over. 14 for 4.
I marry this.
Straight shot, won't get a boundary, they'll have to come back for 2. And they complete that. That means it's 3 balls and 12 runs.
3 bole 12.
12 balls from 3 deliveries. It's about the boundaries now. Rishad Hussain could not grab that chance of his own bowling. Pretty straightforward chance. Right. 12 from 3.
Oh God! 2 bole 2 lage.
Turning away from the left-hander. 2 balls, 12 runs. 2 maximums now. Excellent from Rishad Hussain. It's the wrong one and he didn't pick it at all.
White.
He missed it.
Bad toss. Ribu ase. Ribu niya pabe.
So it's 2 balls, 11 runs now. He's probably feeling that he's missed that opportunity. He also.
Oh, toss na. Toss. Sakase toss Ribu.
He thought that it might have brushed the boot.
Laga. Wa Ribu niya niche Bangladesh. Eta ki Ribu newa jabe?
Why go upstairs? That's the question. That's the query.
উত্তেজনা একটি অবস্থা। টাচ হয়েছে আর ব্যাট আসা আছে।
Nada, check the bowler's speed, fair delivery, front on please.
ও এবার তো উইকেটের রিভিউ মনে করেন। White it.
I just need to go to Ultras just to make sure the ball makes contact with the bat. Just keep running through for me, please.
Oh, does
Next to the bat. Kumar, you can stay with the original not out decision stand on. Yep. Kumar.
বাংলাদেশ জিতে গেল। আর মার্কস আছে এখানে।
So Dharmasena cancels his decision that he had given earlier that it was a wide ball, which means 1 ball to go, 12 runs to get. 1 ball, 12 runs. So all.
বুঝিছে আমরা এটা পরে এটা বুঝি শালা কাহিনী।
Yeah, you got to give credit to Lichun Kumar Das to take that review. Excellent. It was initially called a wide, but in the
আমাদের নীলফামারীর ছেলে ম্যাচ জিতে দিল, মাথায় নষ্ট মামা, এবং বাংলাদেশ জিতে গেল, আউট হয়ে গেল। আমাদের নীলফামারীর ছেলে রিশাদ হোসেন ম্যাচটা জিতে দিল, মাত্র 2 রান খেয়েছে।